Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on integrating a payment gateway into your Shopify store. Accepting payments is the final and most critical step of your customer journey, and getting it right is essential for building trust and closing sales. In this video, I will walk you through the entire process, from choosing the right provider to activating it on your checkout page. By the end, you will be able to accept credit cards, digital wallets, and other payment methods securely and seamlessly. Let us begin by accessing your payment settings. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand navigation bar, click the Settings option near the bottom. From the Settings menu, select Payments. This takes you to the main Payments hub where you can see all your activated and available payment methods. At the very top, you will see Shopify Payments if it is available in your country. If you see a large green button that says Activate Shopify Payments, click it and follow the identity verification prompts. This is usually the fastest route because it eliminates third-party transaction fees and keeps your reporting inside Shopify. If Shopify Payments is not available in your region or you prefer a different processor, scroll down to the section labeled Additional Payment Methods. To integrate a third-party payment gateway, look for the button that says Add Payment Methods in the Additional Methods box or use the search bar below to find a specific provider by name, such as Stripe, PayPal, or a local bank processor. Once you locate your desired gateway, click on it. The setup flow will vary slightly depending on the provider, but generally you will need to create an account or log into an existing one. After you click the activation button, a new window or a redirect will prompt you to enter your business details, banking information, and tax identification to verify your merchant account with that provider. Pay close attention to the currency and country settings here to avoid checkout errors later. Once you complete the sign up on the provider's side, you will be automatically redirected back to Shopify, where the gateway status should now show as active. The final step is testing your integration before you announce your store launch. Inside the Shopify admin, go to Settings, then Payments, and click the Manage button next to your primary payment gateway. Look for a section labeled Test Mode. Enable Test Mode and save your settings. This allows you to simulate a transaction without moving real money. Open a new incognito browser window and visit your store as a customer would. Select a product, proceed to the checkout, and complete the purchase using the test credit card numbers provided by your payment gateway. You can usually find these test card numbers in the provider's documentation or directly inside the Shopify Test Mode instructions. After successfully completing the test order, check that the order appears in your Shopify Orders panel and that you receive the notification email. Once you have confirmed the checkout flow works perfectly, head back to the payment settings, disable the test mode, and your store is officially ready to accept real payments. Remember to review your payment capture method. You can choose between capturing payments automatically at checkout or manually when you fulfill the order. You will find this option under the payment capture section on the same settings page. Double-check that the checkout experience is mobile-friendly, as a significant portion of sales happens on phones. That is all you need to integrate a payment gateway into your Shopify store and start generating revenue. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.